Hi. I am Jessie. I am your teacher. You are watching Kids Learning TV. Today, we are going to learn about giraffe, loin, elephant, rabbit. I am tall. I am big. I am spoon. You like to see it. I am like a tree of forest. I have 4 branches that touches the ground. I don't eat grass from the ground as others do. You see me in a forest or a zoo. The lion is the king of the jungle. The hungry animal has 4 legs and a tail with healthy paws. Female lions are called a lioness. Do not have thick fur like lions. The baby loins are called cubs. They are too cute and innocent. I prefer eating fresh meat. I shout as Noah's roar. You see me in the forest or the zoo. An elephant is a very large animal. It eats the leaves of trees and plants. A baby elephant is called a calf. They are too cute and innocent. An elephant uses its trunk for picking up things. Its tail is very short. It also has got 2 long teeth called tusks. They live in the African jungle. Rabbits are small animals. Rabbits live in burrows underground. Usually are together in large groups called warrens. Male rabbits are known as bucks, and female rabbits are known as doe. Rabbits are herbivorous and feed mainly on leaves, grass, and plants.